Let's get you the latest as far as the Chandigarh mayoral election is concerned. The Supreme Court yesterday said that the returning officer, Anil Masih, should be prosecuted. The Supreme Court also stated that the returning officer's action of defacing the ballot papers amounted to murder and mockery of democracy. Conducting a hearing on a petition on the alleged irregularities in the election on Monday. Of course, this is what is being said as far as the Supreme Court is concerned. They have compared it to horse trading and that it is going on and is a very serious matter. So the court says no fresh poll will be required as it attempts to settle the dispute over the outcome of the election. We saw the BJP's Manoj Sonkar elected as the mayor of Chandigarh with a 4-vote margin after 8 ballots by the Aam Aadmi Party councillors were declared invalid without apparent cause. We have my colleague Sunil Prabhu joining us. Sunil, the Supreme Court to examine the ballot papers today amid concerns over horse trading.
That's right. They've asked for those ballot papers to come to the Supreme Court with, of course, proper security. Yesterday, we saw for the first time in independent India, the Chief Justice of India actually questioning and, cross-examining the returning officer, asking him crucial questions. And in fact, at one stage, the Chief Justice of India answer yes or no on a very specific question, and then saying and telling the Solicitor General, though he was not his counsel, saying that why shouldn't he be prosecuted, that he is admitted for defacing the ballot papers. But anyway, to get the entire matter, they have asked for those ballot papers to come to the Supreme Court. But we must tell our viewers and inform them that not much can be expected by seeing those ballot papers, because immediately after you see that video where he's defacing and doing what he has, at a later stage, he carries on in that same chamber till 11, 12 o'clock in the night before it is handed over only on the 5th of this month to the High Court, after the Supreme Court intervened and said that it was a murder of democracy. So it's in this backdrop that the Supreme Court is extremely concerned about the fact that one way or the other horse trading is taking place, and very concerned that, the electoral system should not become a sham.
Right. Sunil, what kind of action can be taken against Anil Masih?
Well, that's completely left to the Supreme Court, whether prima facie they find things. They can do anything. I mean, the court is supreme. Supreme Court can decide and give exemplary punishment if he finds if they find him, as the Chief Justice initially pointed out, that he should be prosecuted. So it's definitely a cause of concern. I wouldn't like to second guess what would happen, but it is left to the Chief Justice of India and that entire bench to decide if they find they want to make an example of, a returning officer, and to ensure that India's electoral system does not become a sham, as we saw on the television screens.